Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to delete your Instagram account. First of all, you click on the Instagram app. Here you click on the last icon that contains your profile picture, which is below. And then here you click on the three lines above. You click on settings, which is your first option here. And then you click account. After clicking account, you'll be provided with a list of what you can do. You scroll down and then you click on delete account. You can temporarily deactivate the account or you can delete it permanently. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.